So in this video, I'm going to look at emojis. So in particular, emojis for Slack. So let's have a look at Slack. All right, so this is a Slack channel, and this is me, and I'm just going to use my own workspace. And sort of, if you want to add an emoji to whatever you're writing in Slack, usually just click the little happy face called emoji, then a bunch of emojis pop up and you can choose one and you can, I'm a firefighter, and then click send. Great. But, it's kind of limited as to the kind of emojis that are there. There's this great party parrot one, which is wonderful. Let's see what else we have. I just added this meow cat right here. It's a fun one. He's dancing. But what other emojis are there out there? Well, let's have a look. So I actually came across this site, Slack Emojis, and there's some great ones. Party Bob is my favorite. This is Fine Fire is fun. Alert is good, but Party Bob is my favorite. Meow Attention. And what's this Rainbow Cat? There's a lot of fun ones here that are kind of, bouncy and a bit more animated. And how do we include them? Oh, banana dance. Oh, that one's great. Oh, wow. There's a whole bunch of dancing bananas. Wow, that's impressive. Oh, sad blob. Blue blob. Oh, blob. Blob dance. Wow, he's moving. Okay, so I'm getting carried away. Blob clap. I like that one. This is party blob, and this is party blob. There's a lot of party blobs. What else do we have? Logos. Different sports teams. Oh, wow. Holy cow. This is the parrot. Piggies. Look at this little piggy kiss and Pokemon. There's some amazing emojis. What is this one? Retro Christmas party. Scrabble letters. That's nice. Clapping. Dog. What else do we have? Peace. Yo-yo. Bunny bath. What else? I'm not sure about this guy. Oh, yeah. Alert. Well, there's a whole bunch of fun emojis for Slack. Now, how do we include them in our messages? All right, so let's start with Party Blob. So we click on Party Blob and it gets downloaded. So right here we see Party Blob GIF. Now we want to add it to Slack. All right, so let's go back to Slack. Let's click on the little emoji guy, and then it says add emoji. Let's click on add emoji, and now it says we can upload an image. So now we just go to wherever, I don't know why it's so big. We're going to go to wherever the downloads are, and I'm going to go with Party Blob. And there's Party Blob. So I already have Party Blob, but that's okay. All right, so now Party Blob has been added and is ready for use. Okay, so we click on the emoji. Where is Party Blob? Honestly, I don't know where Party Blob is. Okay, let's just write him in. Party Blob. There he is. Having a party. Click on him. Click send. There we go. We've got Party Blob. Okay, so how do we do that again? Okay, so first thing is we go to the site. The site is slackmojis.com. We find an emoji that we really like, and that's fun. Meow attention. Let's go to the dancing bananas. I think they're fun. Dancing bananas, carrot dance, banana dance. What's this difference between this banana dance? Oh, two bananas dancing. All right, on. Okay, Canadian flag banana. All right, so let's just go with banana dance. Oh, wow, this guy's good. I like that one. It's all getting carried away again. This guy's good. Okay. FB wow. FB wow. Okay. All right, so we got FB wow. We're going to go to Slack and we're going to go to emojis. We're going to click add emoji, and then we're going to go upload an image. We're going to go to wherever we downloaded the emoji, FB, wow, there we go, then save. Now we have that emoji and it's ready for use. We just got to remember what its name is. FB, wow, there you go. Click on it, hit send, and we've got our emoji. All right, so I'm just going to enter in the link to that particular site with all the fun emojis. You can download all the emojis you want so you can use them in Slack.